This is Faraday from MUSH, and this is part 3 of the MUSH 101 tutorial. In this segment, we'll cover how to play the game using the web portal. Though most MUSHs have some sort of website or wiki, MUSH games are unique in having a complete, integrated web portal out of the box. You can't do everything on the web portal that you can do from the game itself, but you can do a lot. A brief note before we begin. Individual games can customize their web portals, so not all features you see here may be available on all games or in the same place on all games. First, we're going to look at how you can create a character through the web portal. We can register a brand new character, giving them a name and password right from here, or we can log in with an existing character. The name and password you use to log into the web portal is the same name and password you use to log into the game itself. Once we're logged in, we can go to the character creation area. Now here we have fill-in forms that allow us to easily enter our character's demographic information, drop down lists to pick their group affiliations. And for games that are using FS3 or have made a web plugin for their own skill system, you can even create your abilities straight from the website just by picking the numbers. The website will perform basic error checking and let you know if there are any obvious issues. Add some skills. Pick some languages, enter your background and your roleplay hooks. When you're finished, you can go to the application review screen and it'll do more comprehensive error checking to tell you if there are anything that you've missed. And then when you're satisfied, you can submit the character for approval straight from here. Once your character's been approved, you have full access to the game's community features through the web portal. You can visit the chat room and talk to other players, switching between the channels and talking on them. The game will even tell you if somebody's talking on a channel that you're not looking at right now, so you can switch back to it. You can view the discussion forum, where you can read and reply to forum posts. And you can view the events calendar, where you can view and schedule upcoming events. The events calendar can even be downloaded in iCal format to import into your phone. The web portal is fully integrated with the game, so information in the game's directory is always up to date. Characters appear in the gallery as soon as they're approved. Some profile information is taken straight from character creation, but you can also include your own details, including images and even music players. You can easily edit your own character's profile with fill-in fields. There's no need to learn a bunch of fancy wiki codes. When scenes happen on the game, you can use the optional scene logger to share them on the web portal. There's no tedious log cleaning required. OOC chatter is automatically stripped out and system messages are properly formatted. If you need to edit a scene, fill-in fields again make it easy. The Scenes directory lets you browse scenes of different types, like recent, popular, or events, and even search by character name or by title. There are a couple different ways you can play through the web portal. The web portal has a minimal web client, which is basically the same as your MUSH client. You connect and type commands, just like you would in Atlantis or Potato. You can also join scenes through the Active Scenes page. This will show you all the scenes that are currently in progress. Ones may be marked private, meaning that they require an invitation, or open, meaning anyone can join. If you go to an open scene, you'll see the basic room description and the list of players, and any poses that have happened so far that you missed, and you can go down to the bottom and add your own pose to it. You can use the standard say and pose markers for shortcuts, or just type raw text for an emit. When somebody else poses, you'll see an activity notice and their pose will appear. You can switch between multiple scenes using the buttons at the top. It will also show you any that have new scene activity. Active scenes can involve both players on the web portal and on the game itself. Although the scene directory and character gallery replicate a lot of what you'll find on most game wikis, the web portal also has a built-in wiki where you put things like policies and theme information. The wiki uses markdown text, which is similar to what you'll find on a lot of other wikis, and it also has extensions for things like a music player, dynamic page lists, tabs, includes, and more. Games have been able to fully replace their MediaWiki or Wikidot sites using only the web portal. The web portal has a number of features for game admins as well. Admins can view staff jobs and respond directly from the web. They can also edit the game setup. Every configuration option in Aries is editable through the web portal without touching a single line of code. With flexible background images and colors, admins can easily skin the web portal for their own game, like this test game here, or Spirit Lake Mush. With custom CSS, it's possible to make a really unique looking wiki, like the one seen here for 8th C. That concludes this segment of the Aries Mush 101 tutorial. Return to ariesmush.com for the next segment, where we'll talk more about how to tell your character's story. Thanks for listening.